With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So our question says, select the correct statement from the following. So here we have been given four statements and we have to tell which of the given statement is correct. The first statement says, hanging drop method as in vivo germination of pollen grains. So basically, pollen grains is a male gametophyte. It is a male gametophyte, and in this, the gametophyte of the plant, and when it reaches to its stigma, it will develop or germinate its pollen tube, and after that, they will reach to the egg. They will basically reach to the egg, and after that, they will do the process of fertilization. And after the process of fertilization, embryo will develop. The embryo will be developed. This is basically the process of in vivo germination of pollen grains. If we talk about hanging drop method, so in this method we can take a concave glass side, where we can put a microsporic side, and there we can see the growth in laboratory, and we can see the growth of plant in the growth of embryo in the laboratory. So it is a germination takes place in the laboratory, as this process takes place in the laboratory. So the germination, so it is not an in vivo germination of pollen grains. It's basically hanging dropping method. So this would be our incorrect statement. Let's see our next statement. Our next statement says, obturator directs the growth of pollen type towards micropyle of seeds. So each egg or ovule have two ends. One is Chelson and another one is micropyle. So definitely it has obturator directs the growth of pollen tube towards micropyle, but not of seeds, basically of embryo sac. Not of the seeds. So it would also be an incorrect statement. If we discuss about our next statement, which says there are many embryo of different sizes and shaped in seeds of orange. So if we look in the case of citrus fruits, fruits like orange, about which they are talking, and if we will take example of mango also, so in these cases there are many embryos of different sizes and shapes in seeds of orange. So it would be our correct statement, because in orange and mango the embryo is of different size and shapes in seeds. If we look at our next statement, which says embryo arises parthenogenetically from the diploid egg in adventive embryony. So if we look at it in the case of adventive embryony, so inside the ovary, nucleus is present, nucleus cells are present, and this case they starts dividing, and the cell division takes place. And the cell division will be continuous, and the cell division will increase the number of cells, and these cells reaches inside the embryo sac, and over there they will form an embryo. So it is also an incorrect statement. So as we have been asked about the correct statement, so the correct answer of our question and the correct statement is, there are many embryos of different sizes and shapes in the seeds of orange. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.